Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Grand Central Dispatch, or GCD, to perform tasks in the background and update the UI on the main thread. I'll show you 2 examples from recent challenges I worked on where this was essential. In my first challenge, I had to modify an app that loads and displays a list of storm images. The goal was to make sure the image loading happened in the background, so it wouldn't block the user interface. So, how do we do this? We use GCD, specifically the Perform Selector in Background method. Here's how I approached it. In the ViewDidLoad function, I called Perform Selector with the method loadPicturesFrames. This function gathers all the images from the app's bundle in the background. By doing this, I free up the main thread for UI updates, so the app doesn't feel sluggish or unresponsive while loading large assets. Once the images are loaded, I still need to update the table view to display them. So, inside the ViewDidLoad, I made sure to call reload data on the main thread, which I could easily do using dispatch q.main.async single quotes dot comma. That way, the images load in the background, but the UI remains smooth. Pretty neat, right? Next, I tackled a similar challenge in another project where I needed to load and parse game levels. The concept is the same as the first challenge, but instead of images, I'm loading text-based clues and solutions. So, here's what I did. I called the load level function in the background using the Perform Selector in Background method again. This function processes the game level file, grabs all the clues, solutions, and letter bits, and gets everything ready for the player. Since loading all that data can be a little slow, it's crucial that the UI doesn't freeze while this happens. But again, once everything is ready, I have to make sure that I'm updating the UI, like the clue and answer labels on the main thread, and I did this using dispatch q.main.async single quotes dot. By using GCD here, the player can interact with the UI without any hiccups while the next level loads in the background. So there you have it. GCD is a super powerful tool when it comes to keeping your app responsive while performing tasks in the background. If you're working with heavy processes like loading images or parsing data, offloading those tasks to a background thread is essential, and GCD makes it easy. If this video helped you understand GCD a bit better, hit that like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and let me know in the comments how you're using GCD in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.